So just tell me your name and what you do.
My name is Josh Ngorin. I work here with Dr. Bolton, going on 10 years. I was brought to this field from being fascinated with the procedure. And as a young kid, I was always looking at guys who had comb-overs, and I'd look at it and say, that's ridiculous. I'll never do that. The reality is it made me do my homework because I had that sensitivity as a kid where me and my friends would pick out guys and say, look at that, and say, you know, hair transplant, you'll probably have to do that, comb over, you'll have to do, because our fathers were bald. And we knew it was just a matter of time. And I just swore to myself that if I was gonna do something, I wouldn't be that guy. I watched the infomercials as a kid, fascinated by it, didn't understand it totally, what the cost was. I don't know, is that 100 grand, is it 50? No idea, but fascinated by how someone could look one way and then look another way, you know, very shortly. Basically, by doing my research, I got involved in it and did the procedure for myself, and it turned out well. It was done in a natural manner, but what we see out there is you do have a good possibility of someone doing a quality result for you, though there are not a lot of them, but if you do your due diligence, you could get a good transplant. But what Dr. Bolton has is the ability to get a lot of hair and get people to where they want to be a lot quicker. And that's, to me, the way I look at it. Of course, you rather have that first than do these little procedures over time to get where you want to be. He just gets you that a lot faster. And my only complaint is that Dr. Bolton gave me too much hair. So by watching these infomercials, I educated myself. I saw how it worked, I made a good choice, and I got into it, and I ended up working for the guys. And that's how, once I was in the industry, the company got sold. That's how I ended up with Dr. Bolton. But my goal, when I was a little guy, not to be bald like my dad, or my dad's dad, or my uncles on my mom's side. And on our website, if you scroll down to my situation, you'll see one day at my house at Thanksgiving with all the guys with shiny heads, completely bald. And I just remember looking around and saying, oh man, I'm in trouble. So by doing my research, educating myself, 56 years old, losing my hair since I'm in my early 30s, and I've been able to avoid what the rest of my family had to go through. And I've enjoyed it, and it's changed my life. It's made a career for me that I enjoy. I don't feel like this is work. Every guy that you see on TV who gives commencement speeches at the universities say, find a love of your work and you'll never work a day in your life. And that's what I do. This is not like work coming here every day. This is actually enjoyable to see what we do and how we impact people's lives.